Welcome to Inkit Render. I'm Alex Marsh, a developer, advocate, and engineer at Inkit. This will be an overview of the Render API, covering the Create service and the Render File service. The Render API has been built to provide as much leeway to development as possible, clearing up a lot of the clutter in rendering and providing a simple endpoint that can seamlessly integrate into any workflow. I've got a sample dynamic file here that would go out to a customer and a carbon copy retained on the database. We'll use this file to demo the API. I've already base64 encoded it, so let's move on to the Render Create service. The Render Create service takes three attributes: the HTML, the width, and the height. The HTML we'll just drop the base64 encoded file into, and then we'll go ahead and send the request. What's returned is a render ID and a render status. We'll go ahead and take that render ID and move on to the render file service. The render file service endpoint takes the render ID into the URL, and when we send, we are returned with the PDF render of that HTML file. The only next step is for us to get you set up in our system. Thank you very much, and looking forward to having you join Inkit.